up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsy here. What the hell was that? I don't know what that was. So yeah, new day, new mod, let's get it. I'm gonna be attempting to paint my headlight. So first step, you're gonna want to get a heat gun and heat along these edges so you can melt the glue. I do have silicone. I've got like a general purpose one. It's waterproof, that's all I care about. We're gonna wipe this off and then we are going to be unsealing the headlights. Ugh, this looks weird. That looks good. Yeah, so yeah, let's just get started now. Oh my god, that's a fucking, what the fuck is that? Oh my god, bro, that is cool. I've got a hairdryer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat up all along here, all the way along, all around the you know, where the seal is, and I'm then gonna get a screwdriver and a little cheeky thick one. I'm gonna push it in between, wedge it, and then do a turny action right there, so that I can then split the seal. Even I can try to do it right now, but I'm not gonna do that. So let's heat this up first, and then I'll pick up the camera when I've made a start, or if I messed up, you guys won't see this video, I'm gonna be honest. So let's get it. So I'm making headway right now, and I'm literally just boom, pushing it down, and I'm twisting it out, and you can see how the plastic is bending. So it's bending because it's a bit, even till now, it's still a bit warm. So the seal is breaking on that one, but this part's over here is a bit cold. So let me show you what happens. You can't even get down in there, like you have to heat this up in order to even get down there. So I'm gonna do it all the way around, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna pick up the camera, and then yeah, then we're gonna be spraying it inside. So love. Anyway, what I managed to do, split across it all the way across. This part's a bit hard, so I'm gonna be, let me focus the camera. Yeah, so I'm gonna be heating this up right here with a lot of heat. A good thing to note is do not use a lot of heat, because if you do that, then you're gonna be burning this plastic, this little seal, and you need this, by the way, as this little cover so it can stick back on. So yeah, so let's just continue all the way along, and yeah, it's out of focus. There we go. Yeah, let's just continue now. So cheers. So we cracked the seal all the way around. Now what we've got to do is open it up and get it off, and let's start spraying. But I'm going to do the second headlight, but I'm not going to show that one. So yeah, let's get it. We did it, lads. We got one done. Love. Now we're going to clean this up and get all the old seal off in it. So let me show you guys. Yeah man, that's the old seal. I'm going to clean up all these channels, and you know, when I'm ready to reseal it, I'm going to foam in it. But yeah, let's get it, no cap, let's get it. So that is both headlights splitted. The daddy long leg is gone somewhere, I don't know where it is. Yeah, so we're gonna take out the bulbs now, and we're gonna unscrew this little plastic trim, and then we're gonna spray it down. No, we're gonna sand it, spray it down, and spray it black. So let's just do that first. Let's take off the screws. I think there's a screw right there going all the way around. You should be able to see it. So let's just take that off first. Also, you're going to need to use a T10. Yeah, you're going to need to use a T10 to unscrew these screws. So yeah, let's just do that first. Also, take out your bulbs, because yeah, you don't want to spray your bulbs, so just take them out. Cool. So this is what I'm going to be using, masking tape. Sorry about the sun. Yeah, so I sanded these down already, so I'm going to grey prime with those, and I'm going to spray these strips white and the other side black, and also that's going to be black as well. But I also taped off the reflective parts, so none of this is reflective that you need to worry about. And over here, I'm going to sort these out after I get a feel for what I'm doing over there. So let's get started. So I taped up everything, I primed it, that one too. I literally ran out of grey primer. Luckily I got a nice even coat on all of them, so that's great, even though those 2 layers are finished. So I'm gonna do like a first layer of black on this and then put that to the side and then jump onto the next ones. So where's the black? Yeah, come on. Look what update. So I sprayed all of them black, and after spraying them black, clear coated them. I was gonna do a white pinstripe, but it's way much more hassle than, you know, that it's worth, to be honest. Probably sometime in the future, if I get like a spare headlight, I will, you know, have a go at it, crack it. But as for now, I'm just gonna leave it black. Goes with the color scheme. So yeah. Also, each time that I was you know, trying to get a white pinstripe on, I would use a masking tape and put it on the primed surface. Some areas would, you know, you peel off the tape and it'll be fine, but in some areas you will still peel off the tape and see the reflective underneath, which is quite annoying. So I just gave up in the end. So I'm currently waiting for it to dry. So I'm currently out in the sun, so it should be done in like 2 minutes. Then I'm just gonna have one more clear coat, then I'm gonna put everything back together, call it a day. I'm tired. So yeah, let's get it. So it came out okay. All the reflectors are, you know, completely fine. The only thing I would say is that I need to spend more time sanding it down and use a different type of sandpaper, because the tutorial that I was watching, I used it and it didn't work right. That's why it's in this state, because it's literally peelable. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm gonna take that one off. That's over there doing its thing. These are all finished, so I'm gonna put them back together again. And yeah, we should slap it back in the car. But I do need to sort out all of this, because this is just disgusting. So yeah, let's get that done first. So obviously I'm using just general sealant, waterproof, and I'm literally squeezing it back into where it was. I'm gonna heat it up and then try to fold it back over, so it'll be alright. But that's generally the idea of getting it, and it also needs to slot back into its places, so don't forget to do that. So yeah, it's going good, it looks alright. So let me just finish that up and see how it looks like on the car. So there you have it, guys. Headlight mod done, spray painted, splitted, resealed, all of that goodness. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, comment tomatoes if you made it this far, just so you can confuse the people. Yeah, so came out great. I washed the car twice since I've done it, and there hasn't been any, you know, the mist or the evaporation or the fogginess inside the casing of the headlight, which means it was sealed perfectly. So very happy about that. It came out amazing. Like the front end, the splitter and the headlight just completely transformed the front end. It looks like a whole different car. It's weird seeing that. But yeah, man, that's it for the video. Thanks for tuning in. It's been your boy Shami signing out. Peace.